here we've got the gallery that you're able to add in different types of media, obviously photos, video, whatever you want to put in there. If you want to add an embed code, click the 3 little dots in the top right corner, and you could just type in the embed code details here, or just paste in the actual code from the iframe code from wherever, Matterport or
Yeah,
YouTube,
maybe we
Vimeo.
could look at the Matterport example so that we could see an example of how you've done that.
Yeah. So let's go over there. So here you've got it's pretty simple. It's the same as video. You can drag and drop by grabbing that little thing in the corner.
Could you open the gallery? Because I'm expecting to see that I'm either adding a Matterport URL or I'm adding Matterport embed code. Or
Yeah,
off
so
to the right.
These have already been added. I can find a different Matterport URL if you want.
Maybe if you just open it, we could see what it looks like opened. Does that work?
So I don't think it actually like pops out at this stage.
Okay, got it. So if we were adding a new Matterport tour, I would have the option of either adding it via a Matterport link or adding it via Matterport embed code. Does that sound right?
Exactly, yeah.
And so, since that's the case, that sounds like whether I'm using Matterport, iGuide, or one of many other 3D or 360 tour services totally works. It's not limited to Matterport.
Yeah, it could be anything, any web page that you want to embed in there. Yeah.
Okay, great.